How to play Overwatch 2 on PC using a PS4 controller. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So first things first, you need to download two things. That is WinRAR and DS4 Windows. I'm going to teach you how to download those two right now. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to download and install WinRAR. So just go to Google and type WinRAR download, just like I did over here. And it should be the first link. So let's click the first link. And from here, just click download WinRAR and click over here to download WinRAR. And it's gonna download, and just download and install it the same way that you would download and install any other program to your computer. Matter of fact, the steps are actually right here. So just go ahead and do these steps and you should be good to go. Alright, so to download DS4 Windows, just go to Google and type DS4 Windows download and just click this link over here. And this is currently what it looks like at the time of recording this video, but this may look different in the future. But this is what it looks like at the moment. So try to avoid clicking these ads because there's going to be things that say install. It's going to make you think that that's the download link, but it's not. So try to avoid those. The download link will be right here. And again, try to avoid these fake install buttons because it's probably just an ad. So the right one is right here. So let's go ahead and click that. And let's open the file location. So here it is. So we're going to right click, extract to DS4 Windows. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a folder with the same name as this. So let's go ahead and look for that folder, DS4 Windows, right here. So let's go ahead and double click this, and double click this. And then it's going to say you must install or update .NET to run this application. If you're doing this for the very first time, it's going to say that you have to download it. I've already downloaded it a while ago, so I think I just need to update, but whatever it says, just press yes. So then it's going to take you into this link, and for me, it's automatically downloaded. So it's right here. So let's just click here, show in folder, and let's double click this. Install. And let's go ahead and close it. All right, so let's go back to the DS4 Windows folder and click this again. And there you go. This is DS4 Windows. So now you want to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer. So you can do that by either using the cable or doing it with Bluetooth. But first, I'm going to show you how to do it with the cable. So it's pretty simple. You just plug it in the same way that you would plug it into the PS4. So I'm using the cable to plug it into the PS4. Just plug it into your computer. This is already plugged into my computer, so I'm just going to plug this end to my PS4 controller just like that. And as you can see, it detected the controller. You can see the battery life right here. So if you plug it in with the cable, you might run into a problem where you're not hearing any sound. If that happens, just click over here to the sound icon right here, and then click over here and just try to figure out whichever one of these is your headphones or speakers or whatever you're using. In my case, I'm using headphones. So if you're not hearing any sound here, just let's say, for example, let's click this one. Try adjusting the volume by clicking the sound adjuster. So for me, this is the right one for me, but just click here and just try to figure out whichever one is your headphones or speakers. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to teach you how to connect your controller wirelessly. So let me just unplug this just like that. So what you need to do to connect it wirelessly with Bluetooth is to press and hold the home button and the share button at the same time until it starts blinking. And when it's blinking, just go over here to the bottom left to the search bar, type Bluetooth, and click Bluetooth and other devices. Add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth, and it should show up here, right here, wireless controller. So just click this, and now it's going to say your device is ready to go. So just click done, and same thing again. As you can see, it's connected. It shows the battery life. All right, so now all you really have to do is have DS4 Windows open and just minimized if you want. So if you minimize it, as you can see, it's going to disappear from the taskbar, but to get it back, just click over here and double click this and you get it back. But you just have to have this open the whole time that you're using the controller. So now let's just go ahead and open up Overwatch. I have it opened over here. Okay, so let's just click play. And from here, as you can see, I'm using my controller to navigate. So let's just go ahead and let's play. And let's just do training for now, just so I can show you. So let's just walk around, and as you can see, I am now using my controller. Okay. And that is pretty much it. That is how you play Overwatch 2 on PC using your PS4 controller. Alright, so once you are done using your PS4 controller on your PC and you want to disconnect it, here's what you need to do. So go ahead and open up Bluetooth and other devices settings again. You can click over here to the bottom left and search for Bluetooth and click Bluetooth and other devices settings, just like before. And as you can see, it says here wireless controller. It says that it's connected. So let's click here and remove device and click yes. And that is how you disconnect your controller. Alright guys, that is it. That is all that you have to do to play Overwatch 2 on PC using a PlayStation 4 controller. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I will put them on the screen and I will link them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll also put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.